Life wasn't easy. I was a freshly divorced duck, not able to pay next month's rent. Not that I had paid for it this month yet. My brain felt foggy, and I was trying to remember. Where did all my money? I had to retrace last night's steps. I won't be needing this badge anymore. I guess I can keep it as a souvenir. My new job as the Ducktective isn't going any better, though. Well, if things keep going badly, I can always sell it online. No messages. This fresh smell. Oh, sweet, spongy loaf. You keep me safe at night. I took that photo of her in a secluded tulip field. We spoke for hours under the stars that night. And now, she doesn't even answer my texts. Second overdue. I wonder at what point they start kicking people out. I can't believe Anna actually filed the divorce papers. I have everything I need to solve this now. Not my proudest moment. But the toast helps me to forget. Anna! I'm a different duck now. I haven't had a slice of bread in weeks. You have to believe me! Oh. Yeah, you're speaking to the Ducktective. Let's discuss this in person. I'll be there in an hour. I spent more than half of my remaining cash on the bus fare. And here I was, in front of Bear Bus Office. Some sort of rundown call center. I better crack this case, or I won't even have enough money to make it back home. New bus route starting in August. I'd always tell Anna we'd go there one day. Detective work isn't... You need to pay attention to everything. There must have been something I overlooked. I had to reevaluate. I was sure. I could already tell based on her face that the receptionist was a tough one. She wouldn't make life easy for me, but I had to make my way into the office. I'm the Ducktective. I'm here to investigate a case.
Okay. Do you work here?
Well, then I can't let you in.
But I've been hired by someone from Bearbus.
Who hired you?
I didn't catch their name.
Listen, buddy. You better get out of here, or I'll have to call security.
There's always more to people than you might. I should take a closer look and figure out what she's about.
You're still here?
I'll leave you alone. Detective work, you need to pick. There must have been something I overlooked. I needed to backtrack. The thing that bothered me in particular was... Did I really inspect it? Maybe there was something... These are quite mundane. I'm surprised nobody wrote something more scandalous. It's locked.
I literally just told you.
Tomorrow is... Need to remember to collect my dry cleaning. I should be able to figure... I need to check my notes in the That's why she's making such a face. I should try and cheer her up.
I literally just told.
You're still here?
I'm just here to wish you a happy birthday.
How did you know?
Just another one of Ducktective's great deductions.
Huh? Anyway, that was really nice of you. No one else remembered. Can you believe it? If you know my birthday, here's the key card to the office.
It says it's locked. This case ain't gonna be a walk in the pond.
Richardson needs to be fired!
It's time we put an end to the awful lunch day.
I'm getting framed! Duck Detective, the secret salami.